alaikum and good morning to everyone. Today I am here to speak a few words about Father's Day. Father's Day is a special day to honor and thank our fathers for everything they do for us. A father is not just a person who earns money and brings food. He is our first hero, our guide and our protector. He works hard every day to make sure we have a better life. He sacrifices his dreams so that we can achieve ours. Even when he is tired, he smiles just to see us happy. A father teaches us how to be strong, honest and kind. He always stands by our side whether we are right or wrong. His love is silent but deep. On this Father's Day, let us promise to respect our fathers, obey them and make them proud. Let's say thank you to our fathers for their endless love and support. Dear Papa, I love you. You are my superhero. Thank you so much. Happy Father's Day to all.